Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus JetBrains Fleet. We'll explore these two powerful development environments, each offering unique approaches to coding. Visual Studio Code, a widely adopted and free editor, is known for its flexibility and vast extension ecosystem. JetBrains Fleet, a newer contender, boasts a distributed architecture and intelligent features. Our goal is to help you understand their core differences and decide which tool best suits your workflow. Visual Studio Code shines with its impressive speed and lightweight nature, launching quickly even with large projects. Developers benefit from its vast extension marketplace, offering thousands of tools for nearly every programming need. This robust ecosystem is supported by a huge, active community, providing constant updates and assistance. Crucially, VS Code is entirely free and open source, making it accessible to millions of developers across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. JetBrains Fleet introduces a unique distributed architecture, allowing flexible remote development and overcoming local hardware limitations. It boasts intelligent code assistance, including smart completion and refactoring, powered by JetBrains' 20 years of IDE experience. Fleet integrates essential tools like Git and a terminal, supporting real-time collaboration for teams. It automatically detects project configurations for numerous languages, including Java, Python, and Go, offering a seamless, multi-language experience. When deciding, consider performance and cost. VS Code is generally lighter, though Fleet can launch faster for complex projects. While VS Code is completely free, Fleet will operate on a subscription model, offering a free tier with some limitations. For unmatched versatility and a massive extension ecosystem, VS Code is an excellent choice. However, for integrated intelligence, a clean user interface, and robust distributed team collaboration, JetBrains Fleet presents a compelling alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.